Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these white chocolate and cranberry cookies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into the bowl place your butter and your light brown sugar followed by the granulated white sugar, and beat everything together until it's lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. This normally takes around 5 to 7 minutes depending on how warm your butter is. Once you've achieved that, you can then go ahead and add in your eggs and your vanilla and mix until fully incorporated. As you can tell, I'm using a different type of vanilla. I'm using a vanilla bean paste, which is normally more used in gelato and ice cream, but I thought I'd try it in cake as I brought it at Cake International back in November, and it works really well, I can tell you that right now. Once your eggs and vanilla have been fully incorporated, you can give the bowl a good scraping down. This is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Don't forget to scrape right down at the bottom and to get any bits that are on the sides. Then you can go ahead and add in all of your dry ingredients, passing them through a sieve first if you really want to, but I found my ingredients didn't need it. Then your white chocolate and your dry cranberries, and mix everything together until a dough forms. Being careful not to over mix the mixture at this stage, otherwise the cookies will be tough in texture and that's not what you're looking for. Then for each cookie you'll want to take a generous scoop. I'm using a large ice cream scoop. I take the cookie dough and flatten it, and so there's more of a dent in the centre, and fill that with some cranberry sauce or cranberry jelly, whichever you prefer to use. This just adds a very cranberry flavour, as the white chocolate is the more prominent flavour in these cookies. If you add the cranberry sauce into the centre, it just adds that little more, cranberry flavour and makes it perfect. You can bake them off. All that information will be in the blog post down below. Once they come out of the oven, you'll then want to add on your cranberries and your white chocolate chips. Add as many or as few cranberries, and the same goes for the white chocolate chips. It's really up to you how much of each you want to use. Although these cookies may not look like anything special, let me tell you, the flavour is phenomenal. It's really simple that it's cranberry and white chocolate, but it works really well. And here are what the cookies look like once they've been allowed to cool fully. You don't have to allow them to cool fully. I just did so I could take pictures and do the final bit, but if you want to reheat them, you can place them in the microwave for around 15-20 seconds will be more than adequate, but again, the amount of time you need and how warm you want it is up to you. But here is what the cookie looks like. It looks just like a cookie, but when you break it, that's where you get that soft, gooey kind of centre, which is baked. It's just the perfect amount of baked and not under. You've got the cranberry sauce and everything is perfect. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all of my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on those, as I am trying to be a little bit more active during the month of December. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.